History isn't just dates and facts, it's a treasure trove of hidden stories, powerful rulers, and epic journeys. Join me as we uncover the secrets of the past and explore the legacies that shaped our world. Video. Slow-motion clips of Cristiano Ronaldo scoring goals, celebrating, and playing with intensity on the pitch. From Madeira to the world's biggest stadiums, one name has echoed through the footballing world for over 2 decades, Cristiano Ronaldo. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the life and career of one of football's greatest players, a man whose name has become synonymous with excellence, dedication, and breaking records. Text on screen. Cristiano Ronaldo, the journey of a legend. Early life and beginnings in football. Video. Footage of young Cristiano Ronaldo playing football in the streets of Madeira, followed by early moments from his time at Sporting Lisbon. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. From a young age, it was clear that Ronaldo was destined for greatness. Growing up in a working-class family, football was his escape, and it didn't take long for him to showcase his talent. Cut to Ronaldo's early days at Sporting Lisbon's academy, training footage, and his first steps as a professional. Ronaldo joined Sporting Lisbon's youth academy, where his skill caught the attention of top scouts. By the age of 17, he was playing for the first team, and it wasn't long before Europe's biggest clubs started to take notice. The move to Manchester United. Video. Clips of young Ronaldo's arrival at Manchester United, training sessions, and early performances. In 2003, at just 18 years old, Ronaldo made a life-changing move to Manchester United, where he joined legendary manager Sir Alex Ferguson's squad. The Premier League was about to meet its next star, and Ronaldo wasted no time making his mark. Cut to footage of Ronaldo's first few games for Manchester United and his early performances in the league. In his first season, Ronaldo showed flashes of brilliance, but it was in his second year that he began to truly shine, becoming a crucial part of United's attack. His lightning-fast pace, flair, and incredible dribbling skills made him a nightmare for defenders, and his ability to score from almost anywhere on the pitch caught the attention of fans worldwide. The rise to global stardom. Video. Footage of Ronaldo lifting trophies, scoring incredible goals, and celebrating with Manchester United. Over the next few years, Ronaldo developed into one of the best players in the world. His work ethic and commitment to improving were unmatched. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or after helping Manchester United secure the Premier League title and the UEFA Champions League. Cut to Ronaldo's iconic goal against Porto, the 2008 Champions League final, and other standout moments. He became Manchester United's star, leading them to multiple domestic titles and European glory. But his journey was just beginning. The move to Real Madrid and historic achievements. Video. Clips of Ronaldo's arrival at Real Madrid, fanfare, and the excitement of the Spanish media. In 2009, Cristiano Ronaldo made a record-breaking transfer to Real Madrid for £80 million, a move that would change football history. In Spain, Ronaldo would become the greatest player in the club's illustrious history, setting countless records along the way. Cut to Ronaldo's incredible goals, hat-tricks, and achievements at Real Madrid. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo's legacy reached new heights. He became the club's all-time top scorer and helped lead the team to 4 Champions League titles during his time there. His rivalry with Lionel Messi of Barcelona became one of the greatest in football history, with both players pushing each other to new heights. Cut to Ronaldo's stunning performances in El Clasico, his famous goals, and trophy celebrations. Juventus and international glory with Portugal. Video. Footage of Ronaldo signing for Juventus, his debut, and important moments in Italy. In 2018, Ronaldo took on a new challenge, moving to Juventus in Italy. His time in Turin saw him continue to defy age, scoring incredible goals and winning domestic titles with the Serie A giants. Cut to Ronaldo's performances in the Serie A, goals for Juventus, and major moments with the club. But perhaps the most defining moment in Ronaldo's career came with the Portugal national team. After years of near misses, he led his country to victory in the 2016 UEFA European Championship and the 2019 UEFA Nations League, cementing his status as one of the best players in international football history. Cut to Ronaldo lifting the Euro 2016 trophy, emotional celebrations, and moments of leadership on the field. Records and legacy. Video. Montage of Ronaldo's countless achievements, his Ballon d'Or wins, goal-scoring records, and incredible longevity. Ronaldo's list of records is nothing short of extraordinary. He's the all-time top scorer in the UEFA Champions League, one of the top scorers in international football history, and has scored over 800 career goals, making him one of the most prolific strikers the world has ever seen. Cut to Ronaldo breaking records, scoring hat-tricks, and showing his dedication to maintaining peak physical condition. His longevity in the game is equally remarkable. Even as he enters his late 30s, Ronaldo continues to perform at the highest level, proving that hard work and dedication can defy the limits of age. The impact beyond football. Video. Ronaldo's philanthropic efforts, charity work, and personal life. Off the pitch, Ronaldo's influence is just as powerful. From his philanthropic work to his business ventures and role as a global ambassador for the game, he's shown that his impact extends far beyond football. Cut to Ronaldo's charity events, family moments, and work with various organizations. He's not just a footballer, he's a global icon, a symbol of perseverance, and an inspiration to millions of young athletes around the world. Conclusion. Closing remarks. Video. Ronaldo training, playing, and reflecting on his career. From his humble beginnings in Madeira to dominating the world's top leagues, Cristiano Ronaldo has redefined what it means to be a footballing legend. His career is a testament to the power of ambition, talent, and relentless work ethic. Thank you for joining us as we've looked back on the incredible journey of Cristiano Ronaldo. His story is far from over, and with every game, he continues to add to his legacy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more football content. Until next time, keep loving the beautiful game. Outro screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more football stories and highlights. Cristiano Ronaldo's mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro, has played a significant role in his life and career. Here's a detailed look at her background, personal life, and her influence on Ronaldo's journey. When we talk about the journey of footballing legends like Cristiano Ronaldo, it's easy to focus on their achievements on the field. But behind every great athlete, there's often a powerful figure who has supported and shaped their path. For Cristiano, that figure is his mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro. Early life of Maria Dolores. Black and white photos of Maria Dolores as a young woman, shots of Madeira Island. Maria Dolores was born on December 31, 1954, in the picturesque island of Madeira, Portugal. Growing up in a small, working-class family, life was not easy, but it taught her the value of hard work, resilience, and family. Footage of traditional Madeira life, perhaps a reenactment or stock footage of Madeira Island. She worked various jobs throughout her youth, often juggling multiple responsibilities. Maria Dolores married José Diniz Aveiro, and together they had 4 children, with Cristiano being the youngest. Unfortunately, her husband passed away when Cristiano was just 20 years old, a pivotal moment that shaped Maria Dolores's role as both a mother and a strong pillar of support for her son. Raising Ronaldo. Video. Footage of young Cristiano Ronaldo, playing football with his friends and training. Maria Dolores's journey as a mother was not without its struggles. Raising 4 children in a difficult economic environment, she recognized that her son, Cristiano, had a special talent. From a very young age, Ronaldo was passionate about football, and it was clear to her that his dreams could take him further than anyone else in the family. Photos of young Ronaldo with his mother, in their modest home. Despite their financial struggles, Maria Dolores supported Cristiano's ambitions wholeheartedly. She made countless sacrifices to ensure he had the opportunities to succeed. Her unwavering belief in his talent played a huge role in Ronaldo's decision to pursue football professionally. Support and sacrifices. Clips of Ronaldo as a teenager at Sporting Lisbon's academy, moving to Manchester United, and photos of Maria Dolores supporting him during these transitions. As Cristiano's football career began to take off, Maria Dolores was always there by his side. She was with him during his move to Sporting Lisbon's youth academy at just 12 years old, a moment that would change the trajectory of his life. Although it was difficult for a mother to send her son so far away at such a young age, Maria Dolores understood the importance of this opportunity. Photos of Maria Dolores visiting her son in his early days at Manchester United, and clips of family moments together. Her sacrifice and determination were evident in every decision she made. Over the years, she continued to be a source of comfort and strength for Ronaldo, whether it was through his early days at Manchester United or during his record-breaking years at Real Madrid. Maria Dolores's influence on Ronaldo's personality. Video. Footage of Ronaldo speaking about his mother in interviews, clips of family gatherings. While Cristiano is known for his competitive nature and his drive to succeed, it's clear that many of these traits come from his mother. Maria Dolores instilled in him a deep sense of discipline, responsibility, and respect for family. She was always there to remind him of the importance of humility and staying grounded, no matter how high he reached in his career. Interviews with Ronaldo discussing the importance of family, clips of him with his mother. Ronaldo has often said that his mother is his biggest inspiration and source of strength. She taught him the value of hard work and never letting success get to his head. Maria Dolores's personal struggles and resilience. News clips of Maria Dolores's battles, including her fight against cancer. Beyond her role as a mother, Maria Dolores has faced personal challenges of her own. In 2007, she was diagnosed with cancer, a battle that shook the family. However, just like in everything else, she faced this challenge with immense courage. Her fight against the disease was a testament to her inner strength, and her recovery inspired not just Ronaldo, but the entire family. Footage of Maria Dolores with her family, celebrating her recovery. Her resilience during these difficult times only reinforced the bond between mother and son, and Ronaldo has always spoken about how her strength through adversity motivated him even more. Maria Dolores's legacy and impact on Ronaldo's life. Footage of Maria Dolores spending time with Ronaldo's children, family gatherings, and moments of love. Today, Maria Dolores is still a central figure in Cristiano's life. She is not only a mother to Ronaldo but also a grandmother to his children, continuing to play a key role in his personal life. Her presence remains a source of comfort and love. Ronaldo and his mother celebrating his successes together. Her influence is seen in the values Ronaldo holds dear: family, perseverance, and compassion. Maria Dolores's unwavering support, love, and sacrifices are the foundation on which Cristiano built his remarkable career. Conclusion. Closing remarks. A heartfelt moment of Ronaldo and his mother sharing a quiet moment, reflecting on their journey. Behind every legend, there's often an untold story of the people who helped shape them. For Cristiano Ronaldo, that person is his mother, Maria Dolores. A woman of immense strength, love, and resilience, she has not only shaped Ronaldo's life but has been an unwavering force in his success. Cut to Ronaldo smiling with his mother, showcasing their close bond. Thanks for joining us as we've explored the incredible journey of Maria Dolores, the mother who helped shape one of the greatest footballers of all time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories of sports legends and the people behind them.